6 o'clock, 7 News learning more about the DNA evidence in that ongoing investigation into a missing Manassas Park mother's disappearance. Rebecca Turco got a forensic expert's take on what investigators are convinced links Naresh Bhatt to his wife Mamta Kafle's apparent death, but we do want to warn you, some of this evidence is graphic.
As prosecutors work to put together a case of what happened to Mamta Kafle Bhatt, newly filed court documents show the forensics team used her hairbrush to create her DNA profile and got cheek swab samples from her husband and their daughter.
They're using her as a point of comparison to essentially generate a known profile for Mamta.
Kelly Knight is a professor of forensic science at George Mason University who's been following this case. She gave her independent analysis of these findings, which show DNA samples were taken from multiple items in the home, from knives to a garbage can. Kelly says some findings were more conclusive than others, like a reciprocating saw that tested positive for blood. Naresh Bhatt and his daughter were each eliminated as a, quote, major contributor to the blood DNA, but Mamta couldn't be.
Essentially, we're looking at a consistent DNA profile between the saw and the profile developed from the brush. So there's enough similarities that we can't say it's not her.
But where things get tricky is testing more communal items in the home, like the carpet where everyone's DNA is present, though Kelly says the statistics show it's less likely the blood tested from there is Naresh's.
What they're telling us is we know there's blood. We know that the daughter and Mamta's profile cannot be eliminated as contributors. And Naresh can't be eliminated either, but we don't know who's contributing the blood. There's no true smoking gun yet that I've seen.
But for police and prosecutors,
we confirm that it is blood, and we confirm that it belongs to Mamta.
It's evidence that led a grand jury to indict Naresh on murder and defiling a body. One legal expert following this case says this could prove powerful to a jury.
We don't have a complete DNA profile of every piece of evidence, but we have a lot of powerful evidence.
Reporting in Manassas Park, Rebecca Turco, 7 News.